Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak. It's Sunday afternoon, probably about 5 something. I can see the sun right there through the trees. So we got a couple hours of daylight. Gonna try and let the birds out for the first time this year. I'll put it on pause for a second. Yeah, I meant to take the screen off last night, but I was let's just keep it real. I was tired and lazy. So I forgot. So here it is later in the day. So you can see they all up there. So I can't just lift it up. But I did feed them yesterday, but I didn't feed them heavy. So let's see what I got to figure out how to do first. And I think I'm going to try to get them in and then open the top. All right, I moved that piece back a little bit to give them a place to come out. I had 2 fly out already. All right, we opened it for the first time. We got a few I'm gonna move the aviary completely. And one flying around outside. We'll see how it goes. All right, have run into the glass. Oh, well, he went in. Gonna take the feed out and see the feed containers out and see what they do. Got about 5 crows over there, so I might be doing a little good without the hawk being around. I'm gonna put it on pause while we let them stroll out on their own. Gotta go get a chair and a hat, because my head is cold. One flew over the fence. I can see them on the ground. Well, I counted about 35 out. They already went crazy They already went crazy about 3 times already. So, I'm just gonna see. Got at least 3 in the trees. I got about 5 on top of my roof. The other one's on the ground just walking around. Some never even came out, but we still got everything out. We only been out for about 35 minutes. So we'll just let them enjoy themselves for now. And there you go. All over the place. Ain't nothing scaring them. They're just cowards. Got another attack. Not attack, just crazy spasms. Got this one right here, flew into my screen. I don't know. I think we got a lot on me in already. They've been out for about an hour and a half. And I'm ready to go in. So, guess we might as well start get on the move to get them in. Got a couple flying around like they professional homing pigeons or something. I think I got most of them in. I got a few still flying around. I got the trap down. I got one trying to get in on the outside. I'm gonna see if I let him in. I just seen one fly by. I got the little red check right there. Let's see what we got in the inside. I think I pretty much got everybody in. I'll count them tonight. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I don't know how many's gonna be in there. So I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Like I said, I got 2 I know on the outside. I'm gonna leave the trap down. Sputnik, they can go in the Sputnik, or they can go inside the trap right there. All right, that's gonna be it, people. First day out, flying around like always, chaos. We'll see how many actually. I'll do a count tonight, and then we'll see in the morning how many is trying to get in, considering that it's a real early morning for me. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace. Shout out to all the flyers. Keep them in the sky. Peace.